Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to upload shorts on YouTube from your PC. YouTube Shorts is a popular feature that allows you to create and share short vertical videos with your audience. Let's get started. Open your preferred web browser on your PC and go to youtube.com. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your YouTube account credentials, such as your email address and password, and click the Sign In button. After successfully logging into your YouTube account, click on the Create button located at the top right corner of the screen. In the drop-down menu, select Upload Videos. You will be directed to the YouTube Studio upload page. Now, click on the Select Files button to choose the short video you want to upload. In the File Explorer window that appears, navigate to the location where your short video is stored and select it. Then click on the Open button. Once you've selected the video file, YouTube Studio will start uploading the video. While the upload is in progress, you can add a title, description, and other details to your short. After you've added the necessary details, click on the Next button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you've configured the settings according to your preferences, click on the Next button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Review the details of your video on the final screen and click on the Publish button to make your YouTube short available to the public. Congratulations! You have successfully uploaded your YouTube short from your PC. YouTube Shorts is a fantastic way to express your creativity and engage with your audience through short, captivating videos.